When stars are born, they possess a gift or two. One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do, as dreamers do, and all our wishes will come true. You wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that. A lot of wish coming true. Do you? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a frickin'. But let me tell you what really changed my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen. And it all starts with a wish.
I wish I could go to the ball. I'm wishing someday my prince will come. The request is too extreme. I wish I could be part of that world.
I wish we'd never have to grow up. Off to Neverland!
Wish upon a star as dreamers do. What, Jiminy? Someday I wish I could be a real boy.
Gee, I wish for your freedom. You know, any wish is possible. All it takes is a little courage to set it free. A wish is a powerful thing, especially when it comes from the heart.
She brings to those who love the sweet fulfillment of the secret love.
your dreams come true. Sometimes wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways. Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide.
Slave in the magic mirror, come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I summon. Let me see thy face. A blast of wind to fan my feet. A thunderbolt to cast my spell. Alas, grant me my wish as well.
You know, folks, you gotta be careful with your wish for around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. We'll all be. It's the Blue Fairy!
We must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, starlight, first star I see tonight. I wish I might, have a wish and wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic lives.
Wishes.